Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot the E2 no-flow check filter error code in 2013 to current Hot Spring and Limelight spas. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Attention, the E2 no-flow check filter error code can be clogged filter, airlock, or a bad circulation pump, but most of the time it is bad pressure switch in the heater. Step 1. Remove the filter from the gray standpipe and reset the spa. If the E2 code remains, move on to the next step. Step 2. With the filter out, look for movement on the surface of the water. If there is little to no movement on the water surface, you may have an airlock or a bad circulation pump. Step 3. To remove an airlock, remove the filter standpipe. Place a garden hose into the wall fitting, wrap a rag around it, and turn the water on full blast for a minute or two. This will remove any air trapped in the circulation pump. If you can see good flow on the water surface but the E2 code remains, move on to the next step. Step 4. Remove the equipment door and the IQ 2020 control box lid. Step 5. Disconnect the pressure switch from the J8 pressure switch port on the motherboard. Step 6. Jump the middle and right pins together with a Phillips head screwdriver. Hold the screwdriver on the pins for about 15 to 20 seconds. Step 7. You should hear the click of a relay and the heater on light should turn solid red on the motherboard. The E2 no-flow check filter code will disappear on the display. This indicates that you have a bad pressure switch in your heater. The pressure switch is not replaceable. You must replace the heater. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.